Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix muted video on TikTok. If you're experiencing issue with the muted videos on TikTok, try the steps to troubleshoot it. First is you need to check your volume settings. Make sure that the volume on your device is turned up and not muted. You can check the volume settings on your device's control panel or the setting menu as well. You could also check the TikTok app settings. What you have to do is press the TikTok app like this, go to the app information and look out for the permissions, and make sure that your microphone and the media are allowed. Also check for the updates on TikTok app. Go to the Play Store, look out for the TikTok app and ensure that you have the latest version of the TikTok app installed. Go to the Google Play Store for the Android or the App Store for the iOS to check for the updates. You could also try restarting the app. What you have to do is simply open the TikTok app and close it off. And this can sometimes fix the minor glitches as well. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.